Okay, so we're looking at the beehive here. We've got Amber, and you just said that all the bees in the hive are female.
That's correct.
So, like, where are all the males?
So the males only comprise about 5% of the total colony. And their main job is to procreate with the queen. They do some temperature regulation, but they have to make sure that the queen, when she goes on a mating flight, actually collects enough sperm that she will keep in her sperm pocket, the spermatheca, for up to 3 to 5 years. So
No
she will go on
kidding.
this main flight. So the males, what they do is they congregate up in the air in like this bachelor pad sort of cloud, and the queen flies through them. The drones can fly super fast, and what they do is they meet up with the queen midair. They inseminate her, and they fall backwards because it takes all their fluid to put out their phallus. And when they fall down to the ground, they die. And then the next drone will come, and it has little hooks, and it'll pull out the dead bee's wiener, insert theirs, inseminate the queen, and they just repeat this process. And she'll go on a couple of these flights in the very beginning of her life. So it'll be about 2 weeks, and then she'll have enough sperm where she'll go back to the hive, and she won't leave the hive again. That's it. She's there. She's an egg-laying machine until they want to swarm. And that happens when they fill their capacity and they actually give birth to a whole new colony. They take the old queen will leave with a bunch of workers, which are all female, that can fly. They can't all fly because when they are first born, their wing muscles aren't developed. So she'll take off with a bunch of those worker bees and start a new colony in like an owl box. And then the old hive, they have already started raising a queen. What they do is they take a regular worker egg, that's the same as all the other females, and they put it in a special little queen chamber, and they feed it something called royal jelly. And a lot of people take royal jelly as like, like a nutrient supplement. I take it. And they will raise a new queen. And so once she emerges, that's the process. She'll go on her mating flight, she'll return back to the hive, and she'll stay there. But the queen, the old queen, before she leaves, she's too fat to leave. So what the worker bees do is they hold back food from her, jump on her back, and shake her so that she loses weight running around the hive, so that she's flight weight ready.
Wow. So these are some smart
Yep.
bees.
Yeah, it's an amazing little creature that is totally misunderstood. And